Hi friends, 30th May 2024, India's peak power demand has hit 250 gigawatts. That simply means that we have reached historically high. It also means that we are, as a growing economy which is growing at 7% per annum, is very power hungry company, and due to which all the companies in power sector, maybe it is NTPC, it is Adani Power, it is Tata Power, it is PGIL, it is NHPC, all the power companies are supplying the power, and this power is required more and more in coming time. Question is that when the power companies produce power, now how does this power reaches to your home? We need a distribution network for that, transmission and distribution network for that, and a very important component of that network is transformer, because this component steps down the power and make it easy to reach to your home. And in this field, particularly one company that stands out as a monopoly is TRIL, Transformers and Rectifier India Limited. And in this video we are going to analyze the latest results of this company, and by the end of this video you will know absolutely everything about this company's positives and negatives, and as an investor what type of the investment potential does this company have. You will be getting to know about this in this video only. So let's begin Sagarnomics. Very important video. Just watch till the end if you are a serious investor, and if you are not serious investor, thank you very much for coming to my channel. You can just enjoy your time watching the reels, Big Boss, etc. But if you are a serious investor, time starts now. So before we begin our analysis about TRIL, before we start that, I just request you to hit the like button, and so that you don't forget at the end. Plus, if you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that my next video, research based video, doesn't get missed out of your reach. So let's begin TRIL's analysis. So here you can simply see the news that I was quoting in the beginning. On 30th May, 250 gigawatt was the peak power demand which we have experienced. Now the question is how TRIL fits in the entire picture. For that you need to just pay attention a little bit about the supply chain analysis of the power industry. So look at over here. So here you can simply see that this company TRIL is currently trading at around 800 something, and it is having 12,000 crore market cap. We'll get into the numbers a little later. First I just want to give you the rationale behind my analysis. So now look at this please. Suppose whenever any company produces the power, now that company can be a hydel power, it can be solar power, it can be thermal power, any kind of company. And suppose this is your house, right? So for sending power here, from here to here, what we need is, we need a transmission and distribution network. And this consists of mainly two components. One is that electric poles, and second is a transformer, let's call T1 over here, and second transformer is called T2 over here, right? Now these two transformers, T1 and T2, these two transformers are of different type. One is, this is called step up transformer. That what does it do? It converts that around 220 volts to, say, suppose 22,000 volts. Just a hypothetical number, right? And this 22,000 volt then travels across the this network thousands, hundreds of kilometers, and then reaches to a transformer near your home, near in your colony only. That transformer is called step down transformer, that is T2. What does it do? It converts that power or the voltage from 22,000 to 220 volts. And what is the use of that? It's very simple. Because 22,000 volts if it reaches to your home without this transformer, all your electrical equipments will be blasted. There may be fire at your home, so it is not safe. To make it safe and useful, they have to put the voltage down, and that's why these two transformers are the most crucial elements on this entire supply chain of electricity distribution. I hope you might have understood the logic and the concept behind the transformer and its importance. Now, this particular concept makes this utility, this use, this unique position makes TRIL important. Why? Because this company's monopoly, it has kind of monopolistic market. It has a very strong brand name, and all the power companies are its clients, right? So whether it is Tata Power, Adani Power, any other power, they will need a transformer manufacturing company, and that's where TRIL comes into the picture. Now you might have understood now the business model and the need of the business. Okay, now let's get into the numbers and the fundamental analysis of this stock. So here you can simply see, and please forgive me if my video gets a little longer because I talk about wisdom and not about just a stock recommendation. I am never in a favor of stock recommendation. I am just giving educational content to make you a better investor. See, my job is not to be nice with you. My job is to make you a better investor, right? So 12,000 crore is the market cap. Now you can simply see that the price is around 800. Dividend yield is 0.03%. Doesn't make much of the difference because this company is in the growth mode. Return on equity, which is 9.3% over here. Return on capital employed is 14%. Now you will be asking, sir, why are you considering a company which is not delivering about 10% ROE? It's because this is a historical data which is forming this number. But as we go on in future, and we'll find that this number should be rising. I'll give you the rationale behind that. You can simply see sales has grown only 8.5% in the last 5 years CAGR, but the profit has grown 57%. That simply means as compared to sales, this company is making more profit. That's simply increasing its profit margin. And when the profit margin increases, then the impact of that is on the ROE numbers also. So that's why ROE should be increasing in the coming time, right? With that, let's look at this, that this company has 66% promoters holding. So that makes the company quite in control of the owners, though there is a 22% pledging, and I see that in coming days the promoter should try to reduce that pledging, but nothing to worry much about this at this stage. 0.22 is the debt to equity ratio. So it's absolutely, despite of being in the manufacturing sector, capital intensive industry, this is still maintaining low debt to equity ratio, which is a good sign. Now let's look at the numbers of this company has delivered. So you can simply see that latest results have shown that the sales has increased 80% year on year. That means from 257 crores to 462 crores within a year. This is the number which it has achieved, and the profit has increased 19.7 crore to 69 crore. This is phenomenal growth actually. And the net profit numbers, so you should right now ignore, the reason being that this needs some time to get matured, so we will talk about it later on. But now look at the type of products that this company makes. So these are the type of transformers. So there are distribution transformers, furnace transformers, power transformers, rectifier transformers, right? And this is the rating agency IR's India Ratings and Research report, which simply says that it is positive, okay, and it gives it an A1 rating. So the rating agency is also giving it a positive outlook. Reason is, it says that it has a healthy order book. Now how much is the order book? You will be surprised to know. I'll show you, just give me a moment only. Just watch for some more minutes and you'll get to know about very amazing facts about this company, right? And before we proceed, I just want to bring your attention towards the two things. One is that if you want some continuous inputs regarding different type of the insights and analysis about the stocks, you should try joining our membership. The simple thing is that you can click on the join button, watch the intro video, and then from the type of memberships you can select whichever is suiting well to you, right? Second thing, that if you want to completely understand the stocks from the basic without theory, with absolute practical, insightful and wisdom filled knowledge, then you should try considering our stock selection masterclass. The link for both will be available in the pinned comment as well as in the description. The best part is that you will be able to create a stock portfolio, I think, in less than 30 minutes only, because I will be teaching you some different type of Boolean logic queries and other things in that masterclass. That is very, very useful, time saving, and plus it makes you a better investor. Try joining those. The feedback has been phenomenal for both, for membership as well as for the stock selection masterclass. Link will be found in the pinned comment and description. Now coming back to the point. So here we are talking about TRIL. So here you can simply see, I'll be just showing to you that the TRIL has wonderful order book. I'll just show you, you will be amazed. Just give me a moment, please. One sec. So this is the latest in company's latest result presentation, and now you see over here the order book the company has is 3,500 crore rupees. Now consider this fact. Always consider the numbers in the context, not without context. So you have seen that the sales of the company is around 260 crores and now it is around 400 crore, right? Now consider this. Suppose we take the sales as 300 crore, for example, and the order book is in hand is equals to 3,500 crores. That simply means 3,500 or say 3,600 for simplicity divided by 300. That gives you 12 quarters. That means 12 means 3 years. That means the company has 3 years of orders already in its hands. So now you see, this is the number of orders which company already has received. Okay, this is the power. That simply means that if the company doesn't do anything, if it doesn't do any new sales, still for 3 years company will keep on getting money. Next, not only that, order inflow is 1,700 crore plus orders are under negotiation is 18,000 crore. That simply means if half of those orders get converted, you will be having some 8 to 9,000 crore more orders in the company. That is why the company is a special company. Now the numbers we have seen, I'll be just showing you some very important things over here. You see revenue growth from 25,000 crores, 44,000 crore. So within 1 year, you see this is the number, 75% growth. Talking about the profit margins, so 307 to 4,217. So from 1% profit margin to 9% profit margin, and that's why this accounting difference that you were found in earlier slide. Point is that as of now, this needs to be matured. Please don't take these numbers sacrosanct. In coming days, they will be moderated, right? But still the numbers are very impressive. Okay, so these are the basic facts. This is the management of the company, but let's go back and see what I was telling you about its overall numbers. So simply one sec. So over here you see all those competitors, Siemens, ABB, all are bullshit. They are, none of these companies are the competitor of TRIL, because BHEL makes something else, ABB makes something else, CG Power, Suzlon Energy, they make wind turbines. So this is a software generated thing, leave it. Now over here you will see a very, very important thing, that 267 crore was the sales in 2021 September, that is 3 years back. Now it is 462 crores in September 24. That simply means 2x is the price sales, plus if you look at the profit margin, 8%, 5% they were making earlier. With the same product, with the same company, now they are making 3x, that is 15% profit margins. That means company has really improved its margins. Now coming to this, annual sales, annual results are also impressive. You can see annually the profit margins gone from 5-6% to 13%. Now, and as I was telling you that all those companies who are making power, they will need TRIL. So you can see the example, the proof over here. All of the big power companies are the clients of TRIL. Why? See, Power Grid, NTPC, Adani, Tata Power, JSW, Torrent Power, and so many, almost all the power companies are clients of TRIL, because TRIL provides transformer. Now the effect of the unique position of the company can be seen in the shareholding pattern also. Now see, those foreign investors, they only look at the opportunity. They are never saga of anyone. Saga matlab means those who are close. See, they have increased their shareholding in this company from 0% to 9.3% within just 1 year. Kitna? 1 year pehle they were having just 0.5%. Now they have 9.3%. Same DIIs also have increased their percentage from 0 to 6.93%. Right? So when the two parties, both parties are, they behave in different manners, but now in this case they are behaving in the same manner. That means the company has some very specific thing. Though there are pros and cons always for a company. So pro is all pros we have seen. Cons are that there are still companies in the not in the mature stage. There are power related things, plus there can be a competitor coming up and then just disrupting the business. There can be input costs challenges. They can be the challenges, and it can be for every company. But now let's look at the technical part of this technical analysis of TRIL. So here is the chart of TRIL, and you can simply notice a very important thing over here. And what is that? So here you can see on this chart that the RSI has gone significantly upwards. That simply means that the trend is going to be bullish in coming days. And as you can simply see that the trend was going down, that there was a downtrend and then a double bottom was formed, and it is now moving towards the upside. That simply means it has broken this neckline also. So all you have to do is just keep a watch on it, that the company's price should stay above 700, 800, and in the long term you can simply see that the bullish trend continues for quite a while. So RSI is also confirming that, and moving averages are also confirming that, because they are below the price at present. So overall it's a bullish trend, and prices should go high in the coming time, but there is no guarantee, plus there is no recommendation also, because this is an educational video and absolutely no recommendation from my side. I just want you to become a better investor by learning the basics of stock market, and I hope you might have taken it very seriously. And if you found this video even 1% useful, please make sure that you share it with others. And I found through the data that over 42% of my friends on this channel have shared my videos on WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, especially on WhatsApp. So please contribute from your side also. Also, you can contribute through the super chat also. If you want to contribute my channel, it will be a great help. Plus, if you like this video, please like it. If you have a question, ask me in the comment section. And yes, I'll be meeting you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care. Jai Hind.